Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The US S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Indices will be released at 13 GMT. The US 2-year note auction at 17 GMT. The US Redbook Index at 12:55 GMT. Finland's industrial confidence will be released at 5 GMT. The French Consumer Price Index at 6:45 GMT. Finland's consumer confidence at 5 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Global markets climbed and the euro rallied after US President Donald Trump kicked his threat to slap 50% tariffs on European Union goods into July, marking another temporary trade policy reprieve. Digital assets worth $3.3 billion are set to enter circulation in June as vesting products for several major projects expire. This represents a 32% decline in unlocked tokens month on month. In May, such tokens totaled $4.9 billion. Shares in Chinese automakers such as BYD, NIO and Geely tumbled after industry leader BYD offered fresh insights on over 20 models, and the CEO of Great Wall Motors warned that the world's largest auto industry was in an unhealthy state.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The pound got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The Aussie dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.